Praise the Lord. So I'm going to be showing you 3 different ways to get volume out of your hair. I'm using just a regular ponytail to give you the examples. You can use, the 3 different ways, whether it's just pulling your hair up to get the poof, or using a crimper, or teasing with a back comb, okay? And hairspray. So you can use those 3 different things whether it's in a ponytail, a bun, whatever kind of hairstyle that you want to have a little bit more volume in your hair. So the only one that you cannot use when it's down is the pulling. I call it the pulling one because you're literally taking sections of your hair and pulling it out of whatever the base is. So whether it's a bun, you'd pull it out from the back. Whether it's a braid, you pull it out from the sides, okay? But I can also show you how I get more voluminous braids with the crimper. I can also show you how to get a blowout style with waist long hair and thin hair, okay? Without using a blow dryer. My hair today was naturally dried. It was my wash day, so my little baby hair is a little bit weird right now. But so let me know what you think, okay? God bless you. Okay, so I'm just gonna start off by doing a regular high ponytail, okay? So here's my high ponytail. I have lots of baby hairs because I started taking these biotin vitamins, and I'm getting like a lot of hair regrowth, a lot of baby hairs. But anyway, so here's what I do to get my little poof in the front. It's not always perfect, but it's easy, it's simple, and it takes how long did that take? Like 15 seconds? So that's what I do. There we go. All right. For some reason, the side of my head is always kind of weird, but yeah, we all have our things, right? About our faces and heads and whatnot. But yeah. Okay, so that's teasing. Okay, now I'm gonna show you with this bad boy. So the thing about teasing is that because you have to do so much friction up and down, well, technically you're only back combing, so you're going down, taking the comb out, down, taking the comb out. So that friction that you're putting in your hair is breaking your hair very close to the root, or damaging your hair very close to the root, which in turn makes your hair fall out quicker. You don't want that. So don't let teasing be the one that that is your go-to method of volume. That's my opinion. My opinion is, for everyday things, use the pull-out method. For once in a while, use your crimper. For Sundays, get a crimper and use it. Make sure you always, anytime that you use any kind of heat product, use this, or use this, or any kind of heat protectant type of thing. This is my favorite when I have money. This is my favorite kind of heat protectant. It's Daily Hair Repair Avita Damage Remedy. So it instantly visible repair, protects from heat styling. So this is like, I love this. It's all natural ingredients and it smells really good. But right now this is like the cheapest thing I can get, but it's also really good. It actually has castor oil in your hair, which is very good. Castor oil is something that you can use to strengthen your hair, make your hair thicker from the root. You cannot make your ends thicker. That's not possible. You can only make what you grow in that's new. You can only make the new hair grow in thicker. Okay, that's all that you can do. And for that is my vitamins, okay? For sprays, I like using this one. It has marula oil in it, and it says 5 benefits, 1 system: anti-frizz, detangles, shines, softens, tames flyaways, and 450-degree heat protection. It's keratin smooth by Tresemme, okay? But again, this one's my favorite. It's almost gone. I'm trying not to use it, so I'm going to this one right here, okay? And this one is my last one, just because like I said, I like creams, I don't like sprays. Just because creams tend to have, I don't know, more of a moisturizing benefit to it. Okay, I'm going to be using the Bedhead crimper. Okay, it has very narrow crimps, and I got it off Amazon. It has 3 heat settings: high, medium, low. I usually keep my hair low to medium because my hair's thin and it breaks off easily if I use too much heat. So the first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna section it off. I usually put like kind of a thin layer in the front, just because you want that part covered. You don't want to see, it's kind of like teasing, you don't want to see that front part to be teased, and you don't want this front part to be crimped. Okay, so I'm going to take another thin piece so you can see. Okay, and I'm going to just crimp it at the root. Okay, being careful. The really awesome thing about this is that you can use your hands on it and you can close it really tight. Okay, so there's that. Can you see how it's kind of wavy? So there's that. And then I'm going to do one more piece about the same width. Okay. Okay, there we go. No need to really, no need to hairspray it, because it's like such a small, you know how like tighter the curl, the better it'll stay. Well, it's kind of like this principle, the same thing. Okay, so look how more volume I already have. Okay, I love this method. This is honestly my favorite method because it doesn't break my hair off right at the root like teasing does. I don't have to put a lot of product. I honestly hate putting product unless it's creams and stuff like that. I don't like I don't like hairsprays or mousses or anything like that because it I don't know, it makes my hair feel dry. It makes it feel even more fine. It makes my hair weighed down. I mean, my hair's heavy, but it's thin. My hair's really weird, but so there's that. So yeah, so let me just show you. Okay, so just do that. Okay, okay, see, I don't even have to pull it out for there to be in volume. Okay, I'm just gonna pull it out just like I did the first one, except this is gonna give me more of an even shape, and it's gonna keep it there like that. Okay, okay, and then if I want to, where did I put my little bobbies? Oops, there. Okay, I want to keep it that way. Bobby pins in this case are kind of like insurance. It's not always necessary, but it can be helpful at times. Okay. So there you have it. And you cannot see the crimpies at all. Okay? So, yeah. There you go. Let me know how you think. Please subscribe, like, share. Yeah, God bless you.